You are my best friend, right? I always like you. You're my friend. He's my best friend.
Yeah, man, I like your sneakers, man.
Yeah, he's very, very good person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. And not only good person, he also rich person, right? That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to give me 25 cents more.
Oh,
Do you have
sure.
it? You have it?
Yeah.
So can you give me 25 cents? Okay, today I keep it, but you have to give me the next 10 25 cents. Okay. So see you later.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, thank you so much.